Y'all can't handle this. Y'all don't know what's about to happen, baby. Team 10, Los Angeles, Cali boy. But I'm from Ohio though, white boy.
It's every day, bro, with the Disney Channel flow. 5 mil on YouTube in 6 months, never done before. Past all the competition, man. PewDiePie is next, man. I'm popping all these checks. Got the brand new Rolex, and then Matt the Lambo too. And they're coming with the crew. This is Team 10, bitch. Who the hell I'm flipping you? And you know I kick them out if they ain't with the crew. Yeah, I'm talking about you. You begging for attention, talking shit on Twitter too. But you still hit my phone last night. It was 4:52, and I got the text approved, and all the recordings too. Don't make me tell them the truth. And I just dropped some new merch, and it's selling like a god church. Ohio's where I'm from. We chew 'em like it's gum. We shootin' with the gun. The tattoo just for fun. I Usain Bolt and run. Catch me at game 1. I cannot be outdone. Jake Paul is #1. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro. You know it's Nick Crompton and my callers stay poppin'. Yes, I can rap, and no, I'm not from Compton. England is my city, and if it weren't for Team 10, then the US would be shitty. I'll pass it to Chance, cause you know he stay litty.
2 months ago you didn't know my name, and now you want my fame? Bitch, I'm blowing up, I'm only going up. Now I'm going off, I'm never falling off like Mag who? DG who? Who are you? All these beats I just ran through, hit a million a month. Where were you? Hating on me back in West, fake, you need to get your shit straight. Jakey brought me to the top, now we really popping off. #1 and #4, that's why these fans all at our door. It's lonely at the top, so we all going. We left Ohio, now the trio's all rolling. It's Team 10, bitch, we back again. Always first, never last, we the future. We'll see you in the
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro.
Hold on. Can we switch the language?
We better hit it.
Sé, lo único que quiero es dinero. Trabajando en YouTube todo el día entero. Viviendo en USA, el sueño de cualquiera. Enviando dólares a mi familia entera. Tenemos una persona por encima. Se llama Donald Trump y está en la cima. Desde aquí te cantamos. Can I get my visa? Martínez Twins representando a España. Desde la pobreza.
It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. It's every day, bro. I said it's every day, bro.
Yo, it's Tessa Brooks. The competition shook. These guys up on me. I got him with the hook. Let me educate ya. And I ain't talking book. Panera is your home, so stop calling my phone. I'm fly like a drone. They buying like a loan. Yeah, I smell good. Is that your boy's cologne?
Is that your boy's cologne? Started balling quick in loans. Now I'm in my flipping zone. Yes, they all